notepad too. See, I've typed something. Yeah, perfect. So I've shared the two, and we shall begin. ठीक है. So see guys, the very first question over here. One second, इसको single कर देते हैं. Yeah, there you go. So the very first question, the very first RC over here. RC छोड़ो, ठीक है. सबसे पहले तो पेपर मेरे सामने है वर्बल का. What are my next steps? What are my next few steps? सबसे पहले I'm trying to what cat has started doing, and you also should get into habit. ठीक है. What cat had started doing is they started sprinkling the verbal ability at some places. ठीक है. So what I would do is first try to identify verbal ability किधर है. ठीक है. So my paper would usually have odd one out. ठीक है. Then there was summary and there was arrangement, which is yeah. ठीक है. So सबसे पहले तो मैं अपनी शीट में ये लिख दूंगा जो मैंने यहाँ पे अभी नोटपैड पे लिख दिया है. ठीक है. You can see the notepad, right? Just say why. Perfect. ठीक है. So सबसे पहले तो I have summarized because यहाँ पे in CAT you only have these three categories of verbal ability. ठीक है. Now I try to identify exactly where my verbal ability is. अभी RC यहाँ पे start में usually verbal ability end में होना चाहिए. ठीक है. So okay, this is still an RC, this is still an RC, and okay, there you go. 19 पे 19 पे आपका verbal ability आ गया I think. Yeah. So 19 is my summary. Okay. So now what I'll do is summary में I'll write 19. See, this should be much faster for you because ये आप physically paper पे करोगे. सही है? So it won't be as difficult for you to deal with this. Summary किया. Now 4 sentences numbered. These sentences choose the odd sentence. Odd one out. Odd one out is 20. ठीक है? Then next is this your answer order number. Okay, sequence. So sequence के लिए we'll put here 21. ठीक है. Now there's 22. This is again summary. So summary में मैं यहाँ पे मैंने 22 लिख दिया. ठीक है. 23 भी summary है. 22 देखा. 23 भी summary है and 24 is take the odd one out. ठीक है. 23 भी summary है and 24 है. यहाँ पे 23 I have written. Odd one out is again now 24 over here. Okay. 25 पे चले जाओ. Your answer will be order. This is again the sequence. So 25 over here and 26 over here, and that's again a sequence. Okay. So now, why have I done this? Number one, I'll switch on the chat again to see. Okay. So now, why have I done this? I have done this because I know that CAT will not give me in a sequence. वो summary आपको एक sequence में नहीं देंगे. Odd one out they are not going to give you in a sequence, and the arrangement questions also they are not going to give you in a sequence. It will be fragmented, and I need that coherent thought process when I'm approaching these verbal questions. And this is completely subjective to me. Only take it if you think this is going to add value to you, or you could definitely try it in one of the mocks that you will be attempting. Okay. So now I have a map. later when I'm going to be approaching these questions. Done it? 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Okay. 25, 26, 19, 20. ठीक है. 19 से मेरे verbal questions है. ठीक है. ये हो गया. Now let's go for RC. ठीक है. And verbal में I'll tell you one thing, guys. There is absolutely no give. ठीक है. You have to attempt all of them, and eventually you will get to that accuracy. I am very sure. And these are bonus questions, and they have always taken my percentile higher. Verbal always helps. Okay, so don't skip any verbal. Try it not to, but work on your accuracy also. So my last paper was 2019, and in 2019 the paper was indeed difficult, but I had gotten so good with respect to accuracy in my verbal. out of 30, I think 34 questions आते थे तभी. Out of 34 questions, I had attempted 30. I got 28 or 29 right, and my percentile was 99.3 something. ठीक है. So ऐसा नहीं है कि एक difficult paper में आपका attempts 25-26 के ऊपर भी जा सकता है. There's absolutely no written rule. ठीक है. It completely is based on your subjective approach. ठीक है. Always be open to that. Let's go into the RCs now. Chalo. So the very first RC, the very first thing that I'll do in RC is write the number. So the very first question I know is 1. Okay. And now what I'll do is I'll just read this. The Nirbhaya ruling where Supreme Court confirmed the death penalty for of the accused. Reading of Kautilya Arthashastra will help one understand genesis of state. Okay. Indian police more than in Western democracies. There are about 140 strongly criticism about police of their preoccupation. Okay, 2 features. ठीक है. Questions देखते हैं. ठीक है. So this is more on the side of social. It's a social topic that you are going to be tackling over here. So यहाँ पे मैंने social लिख दिया. ठीक है. Now what I'll be doing is see यहाँ पे since this layout already gives me the number of questions that I'll be there. That'll be there, and then the last question number. So what I'll do is I'll just write 5 over here. 1 to 5. ठीक है. So this I know that social वाला जो RC है उसके questions 1 to 5 के बीच में है. ठीक है. Now there's another thing that I need to do. Now what I'll do is I'll look for objective questions. Okay, objective questions. What do I mean by that? On the basis of the passage, which of the following is not true? ठीक है. This is whenever it's about which of the following is not true, it needs you to have a thoda sa a deeper understanding of the passage. I'll not consider this as an objective question. Following statement would be probable reason for phenomenal rise in private security agencies. Again, this is something which needs to be interpreted. We must realize that the Indian police is behemoth and will respond faster. We must realize that the Indian police is a behemoth and will respond faster only if there is constant pressure exerted on it by well organized. Okay, what does the author imply from the above? So this is also again not an objective question. It's a subjective question. Okay, so I cannot write it as that. According to the author, what does Kautilya's Arthashastra depict? Okay, what is the primary purpose of the author? If I had to categorize any question, it would be question 1, which would be even the closest thing to being objective. So I'll just write number 1. Okay, let's go on to the second RC. That's it. That's all that I need you to do. 1 to 5. Let's go on to 6. Okay, next one. So same pattern that you're going to follow over here. यहाँ पे आपने 6 लिख दिया. ठीक है. Access to right financial tools at critical moments can determine whether a poor household is able to capture opportunity and move out of the poverty. Saving increase their capacities to smooth the bumpiness of uneven incomes. One problem the poor often have is in accumulating savings. Okay, this is about finance. So what I'll do is write finance over there. ठीक है. So यहाँ पे fin लिख दिया. यहाँ पे मैंने फाइनल क्वेश्चन कहाँ पे तक है 9 तक है. सो देयर आर 4 क्वेश्चंस ओवर हियर. ठीक है. 6 to 9 एक्सप्लिसिटली यहाँ पे मेंशन कर देता हूँ मैं कि दे हैव 5 क्यूज. ठीक है. यहाँ पे भी मैं एक्सप्लिसिटली मेंशन करूंगा 6 7 8 9 देयर आर 4 क्यूज. ठीक है. एंड यहाँ पे 6 to 9 है, फिन है. नाउ जस्ट लुक एट द ऑब्जेक्टिव क्वेश्चंस इफ देयर आर देयर. व्हाट इज द लिमिटेशन ऑफ माइक्रो क्रेडिट ये डायरेक्ट क्वेश्चन है. ठीक है. So this I'll be writing 6. Let's go to the next one. Following is true with respect to savings. 1 2 3 दिया है. This also is objective because ये तीनों उन्होंने facts दिए हैं respect to savings के बारे में true होने चाहिए. 7 also I'll categorize as an objective question. Which of the following are listed as informal saving techniques? Direct होगा, right? ये भी direct होगा. यहाँ पे you already know what you need to be looking out for. So ऑब्जेक्टिव रहा है. हाउ डज बीइंग स्टूवर्ड्स ऑफ फैमिली सेविंग्स हेल्प विमेन. ठीक है. स्टूवर्ड्स ऑफ फैमिली सेविंग्स ये वर्ड्स मैंने अगर बाद में फाइंड आउट कर लिए यहाँ पे तो मुझे इसका भी आंसर डायरेक्टली मिल जाएगा. आई डोंट हैव टू लुक अ लॉट इनटू द पैसेज. ठीक है. सो ऑल द 4 क्वेश्चंस आर ऑब्जेक्टिव. दिस इज अ वेरी गुड सेट. अगर आपका इसका लेंथ भी देखोगे इट्स नॉट दैट बिग. So and it's in the finance domain. It's something that I would have preferred. Let's see. Let's not be premature with respect to our verdict about the sets. Okay, let's go on to the 10th one. First prescribed antidepressants in 2000. Okay, of drugs, it was a purely pragmatic decision. World Health Organization, depression. Okay, this is about depression, so mental health. So कितने questions रहेंगे इसमें? 4 questions. So 4Q. Okay, now this is 10 to 13. 10 to 13. Okay, and this is about mental health. Okay, and now you just look at the question. What is the main idea of the passage? Inference based. Why is depression misunderstood by the public at large? Okay, this is an objective because it directly आएगा. Why would author stop taking pills at times? Okay, good. यहाँ पे भी directly एक objective रहेगा. Why has the author mentioned excerpts of novels in the second last paragraph? This is inference. So 11 and 12 are completely objective. So that's what I'm going to be mentioning over here. Okay, let's go on to the next question. 5, I think 5 question है कि क्या? 1 second. 13th and let's go on to the 14 to 19 ही होगा, right? नहीं, 14 to 18 है. 19 से तो verbal आ रहा है. सही है. So there are 5 questions in this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'll be writing 5Q, 14 to 18. Okay. Now you'll just read upar se. Perhaps the most arresting fact about Scottish referendum. Whoa, that there is no newspaper. Okay. Problem with media is exemplified by Dominic Lawson column for Daily Mail. It began with comparing threat of independence with that. Okay, complain that BBC News is completely obsessed by agenda set by newspapers, yada yada yada. It seems like this is about more political stance or freedom of speech का border करा है because media के बारे में है. Media / freedom of speech. ठीक है, referendum थोड़ा सा heavy लगा मुझे, but let's see how the questions are. From passage, what can be inferred about role of Alex Salmon? Again, this will be a pool of things which can be inferred. We'll have to figure out. So not a direct question. What is the central passage of the idea of the passage? Statement cannot be ascribed to the media. Okay. Again, cannot be ascribed to the media becomes a negative one. So that needs you to have a deeper understanding. So this is something somewhat close to being objective. Trying to imply by presenting examples of Robert Preston. Definitely not objective. What trait of media is the author highlighting when he talks about media's chronic ability? Again, not objective. So the only question comes over here will be 16. Now, the most crucial part of this analysis. Now, this is what you will do in the first 6 to 7 minutes of the paper. You will not be marking any questions. You will not be marking any answers. This is the first thing I want you to do. Or maybe that's what I did. And just check it out if this works out for you. Okay, now what I'll be doing is I'll be ranking these articles. Okay, finance one, it is a no-brainer. Why this will be ranked first? It is a no-brainer. There are 4 objective questions. Okay, for all 4 objective questions, I'll get the answer directly by just reading the passage. The passage also is short. Okay, so that definitely is going to be helpful. So that definitely goes the first one. Now, second could be mental health. That's something I like to delve into, and 11 and 12 were indeed direct objective questions. They were not, flirting with the line of being objective, and also the article was not as long. So I would take this second. Now, it's between social and freedom of speech. Freedom of speech seemed to be heavier with respect to its language, and it's not something that I enjoy. The social one, since it's more related to India, the news that had happened, I think Nirbhaya ke baare mein bola tha, right? The social cause. So I would rather go with this because I have a belief that I would be able to interpret this better. Okay, there are 5 questions, maybe 5 में से जो बाकी के 4 interpretation based questions होंगे, there is a slight higher possibility that I'll be able to do well in those. Okay, so that's why this will be third, and this will be my fourth one. Okay, so even if I'm missing out on the last passage, which I shouldn't, okay, ideally shouldn't, but say your speed is not at par, okay, your speed is not at par right now, even if you're missing out on the fourth passage, you are not missing out on those passages which you could have maximized your score in. Okay, this is my strategy and this is how it works. Other than that, with respect to verbal, I was good in summary. I would understand how to go about with summary, so that's why I always went first with summary. Okay, second, I like to do odd one out because it's easier to eliminate one than to arrange three. Okay, arrange 3 or 4 sentences. Okay, and I also would find that to be increasing or maximizing my return on investment, the investment being time. Okay, in odd one out, I just have to find, okay, which one is not working out, but in arrangement I have to arrange all of those, so it definitely takes more time, so I keep it for the last. You need not follow this. This is what I am comfortable in, and that's exactly how I have approached my verbal ability papers. Okay, now let's take your questions. 1 second. Mention K, it's inference based question. Yes, I will. Okay, yes, okay, ठीक है. Okay, now 1 second, guys. I'm taking your questions. Okay, yeah, see, we need to skim the paper to analyze which question to take up and what will be your ideal time for VA. For VA, I would allocate only 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, but that's what you can converge towards. Okay, that's something that you can work towards. So definitely don't think कि अभी से ही तुम 10 minutes उसको allocate करोगे. I would like to start with RC first and then VA. And for people who had asked that is this something that you'll do while analysis or is this something that you'll do while giving the paper? Believe it or not, this is what you need to do while giving your paper. Trust me, this helps. This has worked. Take it from a person who did well in verbal ability. Verbal ability was something that pulled my score. Okay, and in a year where verbal ability RC was very difficult, should we write like this? Is it advisable to do it like this? Like make a layout like this? Yes, Kirti, that's exactly what you need to do. That you need to make a layout like this for yourself. This is your mind map. That's how I would maneuver over the paper. So first I would fatafat say go on 6 to 9. I'll attend this particular set. Then I know, okay, the second rank is this 10 to 13, tuck 11 12 तो definitely no brainer करना ही है. 10 and 13, then I'll see क्या आंसर आ रहा है, क्या आंसर नहीं आ रहा है, and then I go to the third one. ठीक है, are we supposed to jot down like this as well? Yes, on D-Day. This, see, others, guys, I want you all to understand again, this is a strategy that worked for me. Okay, this is not something that I got. This was not a hand me down from some other person who was appearing for CAT. This was something that I designed for myself. Okay, customized it for my based on like how I am aligned, how I approach particular sets. Okay, so that's why you need to find the tune, the resonant frequency for your own self. Okay, this is something that you could be working on. बाकी आप फाइन ट्यून करो आपके हिसाब से. Solving amount, Prasad Joshi already said this you need to do when you are solving. Prachi, I'm sorry if the text is not clear. Just tell me which text. Is it the notepad text or the verbal ability, the RC wala text? Okay, Veena, yes, this is time consuming. Right now, it will be taking say 12 to 13 minutes of your paper, but you need to bring it down. Okay, you need to bring it down to 7 minutes, 7 to 8 minutes. When the papers were of 60 minutes, I took 9 minutes. Okay, I took 9 minutes for the same. So for say 40 minutes ka paper, you can take like 6 to 7 minutes. So that's something that you need to work on. we got link just now. Can you repeat it? Which link? Jot down like this on D-Day. Yes, please elaborate more on objective questions. I will take but this isn't going to take time. It is going to take time. Visible property. Okay, is this feasible in 40 minutes exam? Yes, it is. Yes, it is. There were people who did this. There are people in FMS who did this right now in the junior batch, and they told me that the verbal ability strategy has worked for them. Okay, out of 40 minutes. So yes, Mithul, definitely this works. This still works. Can you elaborate how to identify inference based when it's not derived? VRC is itself a lengthy section, so spending 6 years is advisable for someone who struggles with speed. That's why, Kriti. So that's why you need to identify what you're good at. See, that's why I said I'm good in summaries. That's something that I'll be prioritizing because I know कि summary अगर मैं 3 solve करूंगा तो probability of me getting all 3 right is high. But arrangement में there is a probability that one of the arrangement वाला number won't be right. So that's why I keep it for the last. That probability I don't want to play with. But there are some people who have 100% accuracy with arrangement, and that's something that they do. Okay. See guys, and I get the skepticism that this is taking time, this is going to take time, and that was my skepticism while trying this out. But trust me, this helps. Right away, straight away, starting the paper will never help you. Okay, because what if the very first passage is very difficult? It does pull your morale down, and you have to sustain for 3 sets. So I mean three sections. Okay, your morale needs to sustain for 3 sections. Even in 40 minutes, this is advisable because in 1 hour ka paper there would be 5 to 6 RCs. Okay, यहाँ पे 4 RCs है. This is much easier to deal with. I'll elaborate on identifying the inference based question. I will do that. Rohan, completely depends. I've tried that. You should try mocks for this. Okay? Should we do RC first or VA first question? It completely depends on you, how you want to go about it. ठीक है, एक मॉक में आप ट्राई करो आरसी फर्स्ट देने का, एक मॉक में आप ट्राई करो वीए फर्स्ट देने का. सी वेयर यू आर मोर कंफर्टेबल. First or RC first? Rohan, my God, don't spam, guys. We barely have 20 minutes for RC. How can we disallocate the initial 6 minutes and still manage to do everything? How do you have 20 minutes for RC? Allocate 30 minutes for RC, no? 25 minutes तो मिल जाएगा RC के लिए, right? 25 minutes, 6 minutes and 10 minutes. Okay, ठीक है, 40 minutes है तुम्हारे पास. So 6 minutes निकल गए, 34 बचा. ठीक है, 34 बचा. अगर तुमने और भी 10 निकाला, you still have 24 minutes for RC. That's still fine. In those 24 minutes, the first 4 question वाला जो मैंने finance वाला बोला, वो तुम्हारा, trust me, since all 4 are objective questions, वो बहुत जल्दी छूटेगा. ठीक है, you save up time like this. ठीक है, you are maximizing your investment का return on investment, your time you are investing over here. ठीक है, it definitely works. Again, Prakhar, you are the most skeptic. I understand your skepticism, but try it out for yourself. If it works for you, great. If it doesn't work for you, tweak it, make it work for you. I'm not asking you to adopt this 100% for your own self. I'm asking you to find what works for you. That's what something. See, if this worked, then you might even be ready to give CAT the very next month. But you need to give mocks, you need to try out your own strategy, you need to tweak it. And that's how you will get to that particular strategy that works. Okay, final day pe, your strategy is the only thing that stays with you, nothing else. But questions are tricky, how to set in our priority list. Passage, that's why, Amandeep, passages look easy, but the questions are tricky. That's why you need to look at the questions only. Okay, you need to not questions only, but you also need to look at the questions when you are reading the passage. ये तो object mark कर रहे हो ना. That's why you're doing, to stay away from the tricky set. Okay, this exactly why I started doing this 6, 7, 8, 9 लिखने का जो काम चालू किया, 11, 12 objective question लिखने का, to steer clear of those RCs which have easy topics but tricky questions. Because eventually I'm not just reading the RC, I have to attempt the question. How much time you suggest do this analysis in paper? 6 minutes, 6-7 minutes. Start अभी के लिए start करोगे जब भी first time try करोगे, ये 10 minutes का तुम border रख देना. ठीक है? Told us to go for VA first. Sunny, that's completely fine. Completely fine. Not fast, it takes time. Sonal, that's why you need to practice. Okay, get into that habit. Okay. Sonal, see, it doesn't matter if you also are a quick reader or a slow reader. The more you practice with your RCs and verbal ability sectional tests, right? The more you realize what are the verbose words, what you need not read. Okay, and which is the content heavy part. Okay, like there was some question in the finance wala article, finance wala RC, where they were particularly talking about one thing. Okay, ये stewards बोला है, so you directly have to find those. That is not going to take you time, right? Then RC, Abhijit, completely up to you. 5 to 10 minutes before starting the paper to write or make some layout on a rough. You do not get any time, Krishna. This is completely, you have to do it when things start. Solve one set in DLR. What should I do? Okay, I think we can do it for 6 minutes. Okay, I cannot solve one set in DLR. Please help. Okay, 1 second. What do you mean by that, Ronit? These questions are doable. Okay, yeah, okay. This is one thing that is keeps coming up, that how do you identify that these questions are doable? Okay, Prasad, yes, this is supposed to be done on paper. That's what I was saying, that you all will be much faster with this. ये तुम्हारे पीसी में तुमको कोई ये नहीं होगा, क्या बोलते हैं, provision नहीं होगा where you can open a notepad and do this. I cannot, open a sheet of paper and do it in front of you all. That's why I'm doing it here. Okay, 6 minutes हो गया. One. Okay, Ronit, please don't spam. I do not understand your question. Also, I could not solve one set in DLR. So what do I tell you then? Yes, Sohar, I think 1 second. Let me just, okay. Sohar Sethi. Yes. I'm referring to fact-based questions or objective questions. That's what I'm saying. Oh, y'all entered at 12:20. I'm so sorry, guys. The paragraph won't be there. 1 second. I'll Junaid, no, you have to. This is something that I would do. I started reading Hindu ka the editorial, and every day I would give a section. That just worked out fine for me. So we'll try it out. It'll help so that we don't waste time later. We'll try it out. 6 minutes order, 12 minutes VA, 22 minutes RC. Got it. I referring fact-based question or objective. Array. Okay, okay. So now I'll work on this particular part where a lot of people have asked, how are you identifying these to be easier ones and how are you identifying it to be not easy ones? Okay. So 1 second, let's refer to this again. So I've marked Fin questions as objective. Okay. So 6 to 7. Now look at this. यहाँ पे what defines the difficulty of the paper? Okay, what defines the difficulty of the question? It's the scope of the question. Okay, here the question is asking, according to the author, what is the limitation of microcredit? Okay, it's going to tell me I just have to look at microcredit kahan pe hai in this particular passage, and I have to look at its limitation, because negative connotation mein author ne mention kiya rahega. The scope that I have to look at in the passage reduces. So that reduces my work. That's why it's an easy question. Let's look at 7th question. Okay. Which of the following is true with respect to savings? ठीक है. So savings के बारे में आप पढ़ोगे यहाँ पे ये पूरा passage में, you will have certain facts that will come out of the passage. ठीक है. Identifying which particular aspects apply to savings is much easier than the negative. The negative, like which of the following does not apply, is often tricky, and I steer clear of those questions. Like I do not consider them to be direct objective or fact-based questions, while these are going to be direct fact-based questions. ये आपको direct मिल जाएगा. ठीक है. Now, which of the following are listed as informal saving techniques? Again, think about it. Scope of the question. The scope of the question reduces. Informal saving techniques लिखा होगा कहीं पे. ठीक है? That's exactly why you need to be going this. Buying livestock, अगर आपने passage पढ़ा, you would know. You would not have to go back to the passage and look for it. You would know if livestock has been mentioned as an informal saving technique. Extending loans to relative, you'll know if that is mentioned as an informal technique. ठीक है? That's how it's reducing the scope. And last one, how does being stewards of family savings help women? Reducing the scope. I know exactly what I'm looking for in the passage, stewards of family saving. ठीक है, थोड़ा सा inference इधर निकालना पड़ेगा, but still my scope is very narrow. So I won't be wasting a lot of time. That's how I'm identifying. Now let's look at a difficult set. Now we can look at 15 to 19, 14 to 18 था शायद. Yeah, there you go. ठीक है. So 14 to 18 में we have only identified number 16 as somewhat objective. ठीक है. Look at this. What is the central idea of the passage? This could be tricky. This is floating with that line of being tricky or not tricky. ठीक है. I might understand the passage. I might not understand the passage. For further, information, I could look at the options also and know ठीक है कौन सा central idea हो सकता है नहीं हो सकता है. That's completely fine, but still it's flirting with that, and I only will mention those questions over here. Those are 100% मेरे को लगता है कि ये fact based है, और those questions which are the easiest in the entire set. ठीक है, 16 is the easiest in the entire set. It's not 100% fact based. One is not 100% fact based, but it's the easiest in the entire set. Now look at 14. From the passage, what can be inferred about the role of Alex Salmond? To infer the role of Alex Salmond, I need to get an understanding as to what the passage is telling me about his role. Okay, it could be none of the above. Okay, for none of the above, I need to know if these are definitely going to be eliminated. That needs me to do work. The scope increases. I need to have a broader understanding of the passage. It's not reducing the scope to some 2-3 lines, finite lines. देखो स्कूल में कैसे RCs आते थे, you would look at the words, you'd look at the words in your question, right, and then you look for those words in the passage, and that is the answer. Try to identify those questions and target those, and those are there. CAT में होते ही है questions. आप last year के papers भी देखोगे, 2019 का भी paper देखोगे, even in a difficult year, those questions do exist. ठीक है? According to the passage, of the following cannot be ascribed to the media. As I told you, identifying the negative aspect, like saying, okay, identifying which one doesn't apply is a little more tricky. Okay, it's trickier than identifying which one applies. So that's why I would steer clear, but this is the only easy one in this entire thing. What is author trying to imply by presenting the example of Robert Peston? Okay, abhi, now about these questions, okay, it completely depends on how the person who has made the paper interprets it. That leaves a little margin for subjectivity, and that's something that I do not enjoy a lot. But with more practice, you start understanding what kind of process these guys like. ठीक है, तो वो आप जब भी पेपर दोगे and अगर ये question आपको गलत आ गया, so you look at the rational, you will find, but that still needs you to do a little work. This doesn't reduce the scope. ठीक है, it does reduce the scope to Robert Peston, but it doesn't reduce the scope of implication. You still need to infer something. Okay. So reading paper or direct RC exam, which is better? Don't read paper a lot. Don't think that just reading paper is going to directly translate into this. Read some things, okay, like मैं हिंदू का editorial पढ़ता था, and उसमें से I would try to infer some details. Okay, that's something that you can do. Lots of RC first and then go for mocks. Ashish, go for mocks as and when they are scheduled for now, but whenever they are not scheduled, try to do your sectionals. Daily basis पे करोगे तो practice में आ जाओगे. So take main idea questions in first go. No, I would not. Sonal, I never took main idea questions in the first go, because main idea I do not know if I'm comfortable with the passage or not. मैंने thoroughly नहीं पढ़ा है. In the notepad, in the first where you mentioned Q1, so you will be attending that particular question only for that particular RC. Kriti, good question. No, that's not. Okay, so in this RC, say if I've mentioned question number 1 as the easy question in the entire passage, that doesn't mean that this is the only question that I'm going to be attempting. It simply means it's giving me a benchmark. Okay, it's helping me achieve that benchmark कि कौन सा priority क्या ranking में जाएगा. ठीक है, when I'm reading the passage, my attempt is going to be for all questions, but this number just helps me identify, okay, 1 is something that I need to attempt in that particular set. Okay, 2, 3, 4, 5, I will try. Okay, I will try. If there is only 80%, there's only 20% doubt in my mind about a particular question, in the others, like say 2, 3, 4, 5 में only 20% मुझे doubtful रहेगा कि ये answer नहीं है, तो I'll still do it. But if I'm very doubtful about them, then I'll not mark the answer, because accuracy is also important. Okay, this helps me identify. That's it. It's not reducing the number of attempts. It's not doing that. It's helping me identify which my score maximizers are. easy, and while skimming the question looks easy, but while doing it you are not much confident. What if choose RC, which is easy while skimming? Shivani, try to converge to a point where this doesn't happen. Usually it will get to that point. It's not like DILR where you read a question prima facie and you think that okay, this seems easy, but while doing it then it becomes difficult. That doesn't happen usually in RC. If the question is objective, if the RC is objective, and if the topic is also something that you like, it works in your favor. If you have more objective base and fact base, so that said, you have pick as first. Prasad Joshi, number one, yes. I will pick those questions. Number one, yes. Two, also depends on the topic. Finance is a topic that I'm very comfortable in. Also, there are 4 objective questions in there. Why not? Let's definitely go. Right? That's why it directly falls in that. Okay? It's like the Ikigai. Solving RCs and para numbers from Sharma book, but still RC's main accuracy nahi hai. So please tell me the proper way to deal with it. Siddhant, try this strategy. It will increase. It will directly increase your accuracy for sure. More factual question than an easy one. Which one would you prefer? Okay. Very good, Saurav. I'm glad you're thinking. So Saurav, if that happened, if media freedom of speech wale question mein there were more objective questions, right? Then I would have, if there were more objective questions, then I would have gone still first for finance, okay, and second for media freedom then, okay, because there are only 2 objective questions in mental health and it's a small passage. But say either mere 3 objective questions hote the, okay, then it becomes about trade-off, okay. So then you need to analyze, okay, yahan pe objective questions to hai, but is media and freedom of speech something that I'm comfortable? Is this the tone that I want to start my mock on? That's something that you need to have a conversation with yourself. ठीक है, चलो, let's move